when working on new chord changes, especially if you're in the early weeks or months of learning guitar, it's always a good idea to place a capo on the first or second fret. It just brings the strings closer together and narrows the frets to give you a chance. Particularly for women who are learning guitar, or if you have smaller fingers. We're going to look at A minor to G, and ideally when you're changing chords you would always take the fingers off together and onto the next chord together in one move. Off, on, off, on. But you can also do the chord change in two halves, and from A minor to G, or from other chords to G. Many great guitarists have just put the second finger on only, which makes it much easier, and as they're doing that they would strum the sixth string, or maybe these three strings here, and as that's happening that would create the pivot finger to make it much easier to add these two, and only on the second downstroke would they hit all six or even the bottom three or four. Done slowly it would sound like this, finishing on the A minor, changing slowly to the second finger of the G, picking this string only, then adding these two fingers for the downstroke. And that makes it much easier than trying to get all three fingers on together, which you will have to do long term. But this is also correct, to just get that finger, and as you're strumming that, then add these two fingers. From a strum pattern, it would sound like that. And of course it adds variety to your guitar playing as well. And that should make your chord change from A minor to G much easier.